and Chopper here, and today I have another mukbang video I would like to show you. So get your get your nice and get your nice and forks ready because we're gonna have some for Burger King, and I show you the bacon, and I will show you the burger I have, the fries and the drink. And y'all can go ahead and taste it and see how y'all like it. Well, Chopper, let's go. Yep, Chopper, let's go. Come on. Today I'm having some Bacon Kings and a cup of Sprite with fries. I got these from Burger King. See, look at this.
You're going from Popeyes?
Are they bringing that?
No.
You don't, and they don't count?
No. Oh, no. Yeah, it is on camera in the kitchen. I have it. Okay.
Ah, yes. That was delicious. It was delicious. Excuse me. Oh, yes, I'm okay, Mir. Oh, that was good. But guys, one thing. Do you want to know? I have a joke. Chopper, I have a joke. You know, every time when you see a cow at Chick-fil-A, you keep on saying eat chicken. Do you know why I keep saying eat chicken? Do you know why, Chopper? Because it got tired of us eating beef meat. But anyway, that's all the time I have for today. Whoops. Oops. We gotta disappear, Chopper. Yep. Guess we forgot that me and Chopper gotta disappear. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today. But this Big D and Chopper saying, see you next time. Bye, everybody. And look at this. Look at these guns, though, Chops. All right. Let's that's better.